you can make an educated decision, and you're not just saying, hey, it's too expensive, and maybe you don't know, maybe it's not. So you have to get down into the numbers if the reason that you're thinking about doing it is about pricing. And with that being said, you might be in a place where you think, can my customers afford this? Now that's going to depend on doing an analysis of your actual market and figuring out what is actually in there already. Are people only serving conventional ingredients in their smoothies and juices if you have competitors? And if that's the case, it actually might be a good opportunity to differentiate yourself, because that's a distinct and significant differentiation. For me as an individual, if I have the choice of going somewhere where I can get all organic ingredients or not, I'm going to go to the place where I can get all organic ingredients. Okay, for the same reason that I serve this to people, I also want to consume this. And there's a lot of individuals like that, which we all know the organic ingredient market has exploded over the last decade because of the demand and the importance of this when it comes to people's health.